In this lesson, we will learn the use of have to in Urdu sentences. We are going to use na hai, na tha, na hoga. If you have attended my previous lessons and while discussing the verbs in lesson 21, we have seen if we attach to with a verb in the beginning of the verb, like from come, if we make it to come, or to go, or to drink, this is called infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive form mean that this form is not referring any time period. In Urdu, we attach na, noon alif na, like for come, it is a, alimada a. And then if we attach noon alif na, it becomes ana. Then from go, from ja, jana, from pi, pina. So therefore, when we are using have to in Urdu sentences, in the end we are using to go, jana. And if it is present, we'll say jana hai. I have to go, mujhe jana hai. We are not using the personal form of the pronoun. If you have attended lesson 12 or lesson 4 in chapter 2, I have explained the three cases of the pronoun. Like I is the personal case, my is possessive case, and me is objective case. So here when we are using have to in Urdu, we are going to use the objective case. So I have to go, will not say मैं जाना है, will say मुझे जाना है. The objective case of pronouns. I have to go, मुझे जाना है. We have to go, हमें जाना है. You have to go, आपको जाना है और तुम्हें जाना है. He has to go or she has to go, उसको जाना है. They have to go, उन्हें जाना है. Or if we have some name like Maryam has to go, Maryam को जाना है. Like he has to go, उसको जाना है. So here we are using us and then को. Here I have combined the two words us and ko, but you can write it separately as well. He has to go or she has to go, उसको जाना है. And if we have name, Maryam has to go, Maryam को जाना है. And for plural, they have to go, उन्हें जाना है. Whereas in past tense, we are not saying, we are using I had to go. Then we will replace है with था. I had to go, मुझे जाना था. We had to go, हमें जाना था. You had to go, आपको जाना था. He or she had to go, उसको जाना था. They had to go, उन्हें जाना था. And in case of future tense, I shall have to go, मुझे जाना होगा. We shall have to go, हमें जाना होगा. आपको जाना होगा. उसको जाना होगा. And they will have to go, उन्हें जाना होगा. Some more examples. I have to finish this work today. Today mean आज. Work mean काम. This work, ये काम. To finish, खत्म करना. So I have to finish this work today. I have to finish. मुझे खत्म करना है. मुझे खत्म करना है. This work, ये काम. And today, आज. So मुझे आज ये काम खत्म करना है. I have to finish this work today. मुझे आज ये काम खत्म करना है. And if you say I have to complete this job today or this work today, मुझे आज ये काम मुकम्मल करना है. So to complete, मुकम्मल करना, and to finish, खत्म करना. If we have sentence, we have to meet him or we have to meet her. We have to meet. To meet mean milna, mil and milna. To meet, milna. We have, it mean present tense. We have to meet, हमें मिलना है, हमें मिलना है. And him और her, उससे. हमें उसको मिलना है और हमें उससे मिलना है, both are correct. So we have to meet him, हमें उसको मिलना है और हमें उससे मिलना है. He will have to face consequences for his deeds. To face consequences means सजा भुगतना. To face consequences, सजा भुगतना. Saza, actually it is the punishment. So those deeds which can be related to punishment. Saza is a feminine, so we'll say saza bhuktani. Saza bhuktani. He will have to face consequences. सजा भुगतनी होगी, सजा भुगतनी होगी. For his deeds, अपने किए की. We will have to face consequences for our deeds. हमें अपने किए की सजा भुगतनी होगी. And like you will have to face consequences for your deeds. आपको अपने किए की सजा भुगतनी होगी. He will have to face new challenges in his job. New challenges mean नए challenges. There are many words in English language we are using as it is in Urdu. Like challenges, new challenges, नए challenges. New, नया or नए. Because it is plural, that's why we are using नए. So नए challenges. New challenges. And to face, सामना करना. He will have to face, उसे सामना करना पड़ेगा. New challenges, नए challenges का in his job, in this job, इस job में. He will have to face new challenges in this job. उसे इस जॉब में नए चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ेगा. So the application of have to or had to or will have to, we are using the infinitive form of the verb, and then we say है or था or होगा. For the pronoun, we are using the objective case of pronoun. तो मुझे जाना है, हमें जाना है, आपको जाना है, उसको जाना है, and so on. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.